안녕하세요, Chanel.
안녕하세요.
Okay, so lately, isang wanim gives you 2,000 pesos.
Isang wanim, 안녕하세요. 감사합니다.
Okay, so nana kay ID inday sa imong school?
No, teacher.
Wala pa na-release. Okay, so i-follow up niya imong ID ha.
Yes,
And
teacher.
then, ingna imong papa nga, apa, mag-open daw ko og Cebuana. Kasabot?
Yes, teacher.
Pagayaan niya imong papa ha niya.
Yes, teacher.
Ingna nga, apa, i-follow up daw akong ID sa among teacher kay para maka-open ko og Cebuana account, savings. Okay?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, para dili na nimo doon dayon imuhang money. Na kay savings para sa imuhang future nga education. Ha?
Yes, teacher.
Okay ka?
Yes, teacher.
Kamsahamnida isang wanim. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
안녕하세요, Rami.
안녕하세요, teacher Virgin.
So today, Buonim give you 1,600 pesos for your allowance.
부모님, 안녕하세요. 감사합니다.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
안녕하세요, Teacher Marites.
안녕하세요.
So today, education team give you 3,000 pesos and 2,000 pesos for the study room expenses.
감사합니다.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
안녕하세요, Jessie. So today, I will ask you questions about multiplication. 10 questions. Nakasabot?
Yes.
Okay, let's start. What is 3 times 9?
27.
6 times 8?
48.
9 times 7?
63.
4 times 8?
52.
7 times 8?
56.
4 times 6?
54.
5 times 8?
40.
2 times 6?
12.
4 times 9?
36.
7 times 6?
42.
Okay, very good, Jessie.
Okay. Ano sa mong birthday?
Maghapon.
Yesterday? But I'm sorry I'm not there celebrating it with you. But I have gift for you. Kamera. Unsa man na? Ha? Sorry for the late gift because I'm not feeling well. No, wait.
Ako din.
Hindi. Yung mga gani, that's my gift for you. Happy? You're welcome. Belated happy birthday and advance Merry Christmas. Para asa? Ako ano din. Kay ba kang anong nakaibaw ko sa ganahan mo? Imong mamay. I asked her what you want, then I bought it for you. Happy?
Thank you, Carmen.
You're welcome.
Yap ako.
Play it with your friends. Okay?
Hindi ko mapaduwa niyo.
Annyeonghaseyo, Teacher Jen. Mactan Korea Channel Education Team gave you 1,000 pesos for your encourage money and 1,000 pesos for your birthday.
Mactan Korea Channel Education Team, 감사합니다.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
안녕하세요, Teacher Sheena.
안녕하세요.
Please receive your 1,000 pesos from Education Team.
Education Team, 안녕하세요. 감사합니다.
감사합니다. Bye.
Meeting is now adjourned and now we are preparing your snacks and this is from Mactan Korea Channel. What will you say? Mactan Korea Channel! Then katong wala pa ka-try og ka-apil-apil sa contest sa channel. Kung makadaog ang student sa katong solo student nga contest, iyahang prize. Business team kay mag-prepare og rice, canned goods,